Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have two more cases from Rinky for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. But before I get into this video, you already know what I'm gonna say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have two cases from Rinky for your iPhone 14 Pro Max. You cannot have enough cases for your phones. I need to give a shout out to Rinky for sending me out their Fusion Matte Clear case. And then they also, the Fusion Plus iPhone case for the Pro Max. It says Lime Glow. I don't know, does it glow in the dark or something? We'll find out. But you can pick up these cases from Amazon. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up well, make sure everything fits well, continue wireless charge, and so on and so on. Let's start with the Fusion Matte case. Again, if you don't know their slogan by now, live a better day. Nice packaging again, simple, but effective. So you get some books, instructions on how to remove these things. I mean, it's pretty simple. I don't think you need instructions on how to remove the plastic. But Rinky does that. So the back is like this matte, so it helps with fingerprints. The matte Fusion cases are becoming some of my favorite cases to use because the first thing that it will do is show off the beauty of your phone, even on the sides, but does not attract as much fingerprints. You also get camera protection there. You can lay down your phone without worrying about scratching it up. The bottom looks great, everything lines up there. The volume rockers and the alert slide. The alert slide is easy to get to. And then you have the power button over here. Again, you have some Rinky branding there. Does it rock? Does rock a little bit if you press it on the camera, but overall, this is a nice case. The power button feels great. Volume rockers are easy to press, which is very important, y'all. When you look at a case, it's very important. Overall fit, not bad. Not bad at all. Now here, these cases come down to the phone almost, and then it kind of gives you that protection on the end. Again, this case does not add much bulk to your phone. It's not much, it doesn't make it heavier by much. It just works and makes it look beautiful too. Can you wireless charge with it? Let's find out. Now again, it's not a MagSafe case, so it won't do that, but as you can tell, you can wireless charge with it and not have a problem. So again, Rinky Fusion Matte case. So let's see what other case that they gave me, the Plus case, and go from there. All right, so this case has the same protective, but it has these little bumper guards that you can install on each corner. So they sent me these fluorescent yellow one, so let me install that real quick. All right, so this is how the case looks with the little bumper things installed. That's actually pretty cool. What y'all think about it? Now, this will show off the beauty of your phone, but talk about protection too. These little corner things will definitely protect your phone when you drop it. You also get the camera protection. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do, from the top and bottom. Everything lines up at the bottom too. Again, the alert slider is easy to press. The power button there, you do have some Rinky branding there, so again, the power button, easy. Volume rockers, you don't have to do a workout to press it. This does not add much bulk to your phone, but it will protect it though. and show off the, look at that. You can't tell me that's not beautiful. That purple, probably the best color out there. Y'all let me know if you picked up the iPhone, what color did you get? The overall fit, again, nice and snug. Not bad at all. Can you wireless charge? What y'all think? This is almost becoming a moot point at this point, is because you can wireless charge with almost every case. And then this one's trying to act like it's MagSafe, but it's not really MagSafe. So if you want to pick up this case, which is the Fusion Plus or the Fusion Clear, y'all let me know. The links will be in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.